Climate change is real. It's not a Ponzi. I don't even know how it would be a Ponzi scheme. Like, that doesn't even make sense. I do know. If you want to know if climate change is real, have you? I don't know where you live. If you've ever lived anywhere cold and you've like looked out a window on a cold day, and then it feels like on your fingertips, you feel like a draft is coming in. That's actually not a draft coming in. That's the heat going out of your body and it's going to the cold. It's called the second law of thermodynamics. And it says that higher energy goes to lesser energy. And so the heat from your body is going towards the cold in the air because the molecular movement of the cold air is actually slower than the molecular movement of your hot hand. So what happens is that heat transfers from your hot hand to your cold hand or to the cold window. What's going on with climate change is that the climate is changing. The heat, the actual atmosphere is getting greenhouse gases, which is causing the heat to be retained. But it's not being retained at the same rate. Like the North Pole is heating faster than the equator. And so what happens is like with your hand, the colder it gets outside, the greater the heat difference, the faster that heat would leave your hand. Which is why if it's like 65 degrees, you don't notice it as much. If it's 80 degrees, it's still colder outside than your hand, but you don't notice it at all. Well, probably because you're in AC. But anyway, you get my point.